Well, isn't this just a marvelous day for a drive?
You're offering all this for the car?
Yes.
Very well. It's yours.
Look at this old beauty, neglected for years, rust like a second skin. It needs a lot of work, but it's worth saving.
In this garage, a legend waits. A Mini Cooper with untold stories marked by rust and time. All right, time to tackle this old girl. The engine needs a bit of love, but I think we can get it running.
Yeah.
Just need to reconnect this wire here and hope.
All right, this is the old radiator. Looks pretty rough. Gonna get this out of here.
All right, moving on to the hood. This section is looking clean.
Before and after results of our premium rust converter. See the magic happen right before your eyes. Watch as the rust turns black instantly, protecting your car from further damage. You need to apply a generous amount to cover the damaged area completely. Then, use the applicator to smooth it out evenly before it starts to set.
The restoration process begins with careful surface preparation. Sanding removes the old paint and rubbish.
The panels were carefully shaped and riveted into place to ensure a strong, seamless fit, ready for the first coat of primer.
The paint technician applies a consistent, even coat of gray primer to the car, ensuring thorough coverage of the roof panel.
Welcome to the workshop. Here sits our latest project, a classic Mini, currently in primer and awaiting its transformation.
Keep the paper wet and use even pressure to smooth out the primer. Check the area around the handle frequently to make sure it's consistent with the rest of the door. The Mini Cooper, now prepared for its vibrant lime green finish, sits in the pristine paint booth. Every detail is meticulously masked. Ensure you use a filter when pouring paint to prevent clogging the spray gun. The Mini is ready for its final coat. A perfect foundation for the clear coat to create that deep, reflective finish.
The finish is perfect. Another flawless application completed.
It is. The restoration enters its final phase, with the iconic classic now sporting a fresh coat of British racing green and a contrasting matte.
All right, just finishing up the tape on the hood here. Want to make sure this edge is perfectly sealed. Now, peel and tear, like so. Just finishing up the final coat on the hood here, making sure the green is perfectly even. Looks good. Just need to check the coverage around the front grille.
With its glossy light green body and matte black hood, this classic Mini Cooper stands ready. The workshop hums in the background.
With the engine block aligned, we carefully guide it into the bay, ensuring all mounts are positioned correctly before securing it.
I'm just tightening this final connection on the engine. Now that's done, she's really coming together.
All right, just need a quick turn here. That should do it. Now, let's check this hose. Good to go. All right, let's check these wires. Good. Now test the ignition. Solid. Gear shift feels tight. We're ready. All right, dashboard's in. Just got to hook up these wires now. Almost done.
Welcome to the interior of this beautiful classic Mini Cooper. Notice the pristine black leather seats and the iconic central dashboard layout.
And there it is, ready to hit the road.
Now we're going to reinstall the newly refurbished headlight back into the Mini's fender. Line up the tabs carefully and press it firmly into place.
Check out this classic Mini Cooper. It's got that iconic British charm, you know? Just needs a little TLC and it'll be ready for the road again.
This classic green Mini is a beauty, just needed a little love to make that chrome shine again.
There, looks good. Ready for the road.
This is the result of a precise restoration, combining vintage charm with modern quality. The finish on the paintwork is flawless. Welcome to the Restoration Garage. Today we're taking a look at this classic Mini Cooper on the lift. We'll be assessing its condition and planning the next steps in its revival.
Start by connecting the positive terminal to the red post and tightening it. Now, attach the negative terminal to the black post and make sure it is secure.
The classic Mini Cooper. Timeless design, ready for action.
The pressure looks good here. A little low, but within the safe range for this model.
You know, there's just something about a classic. The way they built these things, the texture, the quality, they just don't make them like this anymore. Feel that. Solid.
The classic Mini Cooper is a joy to drive, even after all these years. It really hugs the curves of the road.
All right, here we go. First gear.
Destination confirmed. We are running on schedule. Do not engage pursuit.
Keep it clean, keep it classic. This paint is absolutely flawless. Take care of your vintage Mini and it will take care of you.
Ensure the windshield is completely covered in spray. Then wipe in a circular motion until it's clean.
The steering wheel is the part of the car we touch the most, so it deserves extra attention. Use a high-quality microfiber cloth to gently wipe.
Your vehicle is ready, sir.
Excellent. Thank you.
Well, isn't this just a marvelous day for a drive? Nothing quite like it. As the sun dips below the horizon, the classic green Mini rests by the calm lake, bathed in the golden hour light, a timeless scene of tranquility. The classic Mini features a striking two-tone design with a glossy green fender and a sleek matte black hood. The chrome grille and... The journey began like any other, but the beauty of the day made it feel like an adventure. With the sun on my face,
road stretched out before me, the setting sun painting the sky in colours I'd never forget.
The classic lines of this vintage green beauty glide effortlessly down the winding country road. This classic embodies the spirit of freedom. With its matte finish and iconic emblem, it's ready for the open road.
Listen to that engine hum. Pure mechanical poetry in motion.
The engine springs to life, and we hit the road. Watch the miles roll by on this classic ride.
The journey may end, but the memories stay with you forever. Every curve in the road, every breathtaking sunset.
Experience the timeless charm of this classic Mini Cooper. Perfect for a drive by the lake as the sun sets,